Now the next preparation of aldehyde and ketone is from your acid chloride. I hope you know what are acid chloride. The formula of acid chloride is your RCOCl. क्योंकि आपको याद है कि यदि if this Cl is your OH, then it is your carboxylic acid, and if this OH is replaced by chlorine, it is your acid chloride. So acid chloride, whether it is aliphatic or aromatic, on reduction or hydrogenation with palladium and barium sulfate will give aldehyde. For example, this is your acid chloride. This is your acid chloride. On hydrogenation in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate, it will give aldehyde. For example, this RE, suppose somebody asks you, how would you convert ethanoyl chloride to ethanol. Ethanol, that is your acetaldehyde. Then this R will be your CH3COCl on hydrogenation with palladium and barium sulfate. This will give CH3CHO plus your HCl. So this is your ethanoyl chloride, this is your ethanol. Similarly, if somebody asks you how would you convert benzoyl chloride to your benzaldehyde, benzoyl chloride to your benzaldehyde. तो देखिए ये एरोमेटिक पूछ रहा है. So this will be your C6H5. This is your benzoyl chloride, and then this will be your C6H5. This is your benzaldehyde. So whether the aldehyde is aliphatic or aromatic, it can be prepared from your acid chloride. Clear? Now this reaction is very important. This reaction is very important. It is a very important name reaction that is called your Rosen-Munz reaction. That is called your Rosen-Munz reaction. तो ये ध्यान देने की बात है कि भाई नेम रिएक्शन में भी यह इंपॉर्टेंट है. That is your Rosen-Munz reaction. For example, आप फेनॉल में पढ़े थे कोल्बी रिएक्शन, रीमर-ट्रीमन रिएक्शन, सैंडमेयर रिएक्शन in Halvorin. Similarly, this is also your important reaction of aldehyde, that is your Rosen-Munz reaction. So by Rosen-Munz reaction, the acid chloride is converted to aldehyde. Now the question is, can we prepare ketone from acid chloride? Can we prepare ketone from acid chloride? The answer is yes. Ketone can be prepared. Ketone can be prepared from acid chloride by using dialkyl cadmium. Now the question is, what is the formula of dialkyl cadmium? Alkyl for R, dialkyl R2CD. So this is your R2CD. Now the question is how this dialkyl cadmium is being prepared. We use RMGX, you know, that is your Grignard reagent. ये Grignard reagent है. So if we use 2 mole of Grignard reagent and if we treat it with cadmium chloride CdCl2, then we get your R2CD, that is your dialkyl cadmium plus your RMgX and this is chlorine. तो इस तरीके से आप डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम बना सकते हो. ठीक है भाई, डाइअल्काइल कैडमियम बन गया. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज कि आखिर एसिड क्लोराइड से हम कीटोन कैसे बनाएं. दिस इज योर एसिड क्लोराइड, से इट इज योर R-COCl. This is your R-COCl. This is 2 mole of acid chloride and this is dialkyl cadmium. This is your dialkyl cadmium. On reaction it will give you cadmium chloride plus your R-COR and this is your 2 mole. So this product is your ketone. अब मान लीजिए, let us suppose if somebody asks you a very important conversion. The question is, how would you convert acetyl chloride, that is your ethanoyl chloride, to propanone, that is acetone. ठीक है, that is your ethanoyl chloride CH3 COCl and this is your propanone CH3 COCH3. Now what we do, we use 2 mole of this acetyl chloride. अब देख रहे हैं ऑलरेडी इसमें 2 कार्बन है and we are in need of 3 carbon. So what happens, this we have to use dimethyl cadmium. This is your dimethyl cadmium. Then what will happen, this will remove cadmium chloride. Actually यहाँ 2 मोल है ना, तो 2 Cl गया, cadmium chloride plus you will get 2 mole of propanone. For example, somebody asks you, how can you prepare benzoyl chloride to acetophenone. तो देखिए बेंजॉइल क्लोराइड क्या है भाई, फिनाइल ग्रुप ले लिया, that is your benzoyl chloride to acetophenone. So you take 2 mole of benzoyl chloride and you treat it with dimethyl cadmium. यहां से गया फिर CdCl2. So your cadmium chloride will replace. Now your product is 2 mole of C6H5CO and this is your CH3. This product is your acetophenone. So this is the method that how we can convert acid chloride into your ketone. Now for your information, this reaction is not Rosenmund. ये रोजेनमंड नहीं है, रोजेनमंड था आपको एसिड क्लोराइड से एल्डिहाइड का कन्वर्सन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम साइनाइड और नाइट्राइड. द नेक्स्ट इज फ्रॉम साइनाइड और नाइट्राइड. Next is from cyanide or nitride. I hope you know in IUPAC cyanide is known as nitride. This is by using a reaction called a Stephen's reaction or a Stephen's reduction. Stephen's reduction, or simply it is your Stephen's reaction. Stephen's reaction. What is this reaction? When cyanide, this cyanide is reduced with or reacts with stannous chloride and your HCl. When it is reduced with SnCl2 and HCl, then it form imine salt. It will form your imine salt. This is called imine. This is your imine. And then this imine on hydrolysis, it will give aldehyde, and this is your ammonia. What happens actually? This SnCl2 combined with HCl to form your SnCl4 and will give H2. Now this H2 is used in this reaction. यही हाइड्रोजन यहाँ रिडक्शन में काम करता है. तो कैसे काम करता है भाई? ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इज कन्वर्टेड टू डबल बॉन्ड. एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ ऐड हुआ, एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ ऐड हुआ, आप इसको बोल दिए इमाइन. Now in place of SnCl2 and HCl, in place of SnCl2 and HCl, if you use simply TnNHCl, अगर केवल आप TnNHCl यूज कर देते यहाँ पर, थोड़ा चेंज कर देते अगर, कि नहीं साहब हम ये ना यूज करके सपोज आई यूज TnNHCl, हमने TnNHCl यूज कर दिया, then for your information the product form is your primary amine. The product form is your primary amine, and then this reaction is known as your Mendius reaction. तब ये रिएक्शन आपको क्या कहलाएगा? ये कहलाता है Mendius reaction. However, this is called your Stephen's reduction. Now second is, that is cyanide can also be converted to aldehyde by using diol H. It can be also reduced to aldehyde by using diol H. That is this RCl. First of all we use diol H, followed by hydrolysis. Then the product form is your aldehyde. अब सवाल उठता है ये डाइवल H क्या है? डाइवल H इज योर डाई आइसोब्यूटाइल एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर डाइवल H, डाई आइसोब्यूटाइल एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड. Let us suppose somebody asks you, how would you convert मिथाइल साइनाइड, जिसको आप बोलते हो इथेन नाइट्राइड, टू इथानल, इसमें कैसे कन्वर्ट करोगे? तो आप कह सकते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर इथेन नाइट्राइल. फर्स्ट वी treat it with your diol H followed by hydrolysis, then the product form is your acetaldehyde. या मान लीजिए आप स्टीफन्स रिडक्शन करा देते. मतलब क्या? स्टीफन्स रिडक्शन में आप क्या करते? तो स्टीफन्स रिडक्शन में आप करते इसको SnCl2 और HCl से करते, then it will give imine, और इसकी अगर आप हाइड्रोलिसिस करा दिया, then the product form is your CH3CHO, that is your acetaldehyde. So this is your preparation of aldehyde and ketone from cyanide.